Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to change Google background using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Google Chrome and then click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and click on Appearance here at the left side of your screen. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on the theme section. And here you will have a lot of options. So just go ahead and choose any theme that you want. So let me just go ahead and find any theme that I want. So you have this kind of theme. So you have Asian and Pacific Islander Artist Series, Black Artist Collection, Native American Artist Collection, McLaren F1 X Chrome. So just go ahead and choose any of these, okay? So let me just go ahead and choose. Mhm. So let me just go ahead and choose the animals right here, zodiac animals. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this. And if you want this a theme, just go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Okay. So now, once you've seen Added to Chrome button, just go ahead and open a new tab to check your background. Okay, so as you can see, my background is the monkey zodiac sign. So as you can see here, this is what I've picked. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.